Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Today, a little bit more on bar chord rhythm. All right, what we have here, A major. I know you like the way I just jumped in. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take A, we're going to take G, G sharp, A, and we're going to put this in a rhythm. Now, the rhythm that you're going to hear is similar, if not the same, as a tune from back in the 60s, 70s, called, what was it, Jeremiah, was it Joy to the World. Okay, but I want you to use that phrase. So what's happening here is we're going ba, ba, ba. So if we were starting, let's say on a 1, it would be 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 2. Okay? Work with this phrase and use it not just, use it in all the places. Now, not just for the tune itself of Joy to the World, but what happens is you start playing more, and this is something a lot of musicians do, okay, is you take parts that you hear from other songs, and part of your improvisation, whether it be on the rhythm guitar or on the lead guitar, part of the improvisation could be a piece of a song. So like if we were doing like some regular chord changes, just instead of so in other words, finding the spots to put that in. What it's doing, we're going to start developing the ear to hear things. So if we were doing God, any kind of song, I used it there. Okay, now it's not something, you don't have to use it all the time, but when you're playing, in a group or you're playing behind a singer, whatever it is, you want to use these little embellishments. I like to call them a little push or something. Singers love it when you do stuff like that. They go insane, because it gives them that lead into the next thing. So if they're on something, boom, see, there's a lot of ways, and when you do it in time, it all fits. Okay? So what we need to build up strength-wise is the getting these things, okay, getting these bar chords, getting these things to, move nice and even and nice and clean. Okay? Review. 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and again. Just thought of this too. And I know I've mentioned it in the past. You could let the chords ring, but you could also, hear what I did? And with the picking, the right hand, or you could, however you want to do it. All right, because with the picking also, you come up, guitar sounds one way. When you're picking down, it sounds the other way. Why is that? Real simple. When you're coming down from above, what are you picking up first? No matter how fast you play through, you're picking up your bass strings first. When you're coming up pick, you're picking up the high strings first. Okay? That's it for a little bit on this guitar rhythm. All right, let me know how you make out. All right, any questions? Put them in the comments below. All right, if you like what you hear, please give me that thumbs up and please subscribe so we can get lots of this stuff out there. Enjoy your day.